everyone, welcome back to your channel Grammar Genius. I'm your language mentor and today we are demystifying a grammatical gem, the present perfect tense. Don't worry, we will keep it simple and straightforward. Let's jump it right now. What is the present perfect tense? The present perfect tense is like a bridge between past and the present. It helps us to talk about action or experience that happened at a specific time in the past, but have some connection to the present. The formula for the present perfect is pretty straightforward. It's formed by combining present tense of auxiliary verb have with past participle of the main verb. Now let's break it down with some examples. For example, she has studied. I have traveled. Notice how we use have or has depending on the subject and pair it with the past participle of the main verb. So, when do we use the present perfect tense? Think of it as your go-to for talking about life experience, achievements, or actions with ongoing effects. I have seen that movie before. I have lived in this city for years. The focus is on the overall experience, not a specific movement. Let's tackle a common challenge distinguishing between the present perfect and past simple. While the simple past is for specific times in the past, the present perfect is for actions with a connection to the present. For instances, I completed the project at 8 a.m. It has no connection with present. Second example, you can see I have completed the project already. It has the connection with present. Learning any tense can be tricky. Let's discuss some common mistakes and tips to smooth out the learning curve. Avoiding using specific time expressions like yesterday, last weekend with present perfect tense. Instead of more general terms like recently or in. There you have it, a simplified guide to the present perfect tense. Practice incorporating it into your conversation and you will be using it seamlessly in no time. If you have found the guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more language insights and connect with us on social media. Until next time.